Hello, and welcome to the next episode of Shoversfunwithplans. Hope you're enjoying the series so far. Have a look at my other episodes. They're coming up nice and quick. They're on every Friday. But here we are with another floor plan. This one, the floor plan is absolutely utterly ridiculous. I can't even explain it. If you have a look here, they have a sunroom that is very cheaply done. It's enclosed, but I'll show you a photo in a second, but they've got windows all along here. It's got the same roof as, it's obviously a patio that's been enclosed, but I can't even explain it. They didn't even raise the slab. It's like a sunken lounge sort of a deal. And then they got a multi-purpose room here that looks like it's a single car garage that's been also transformed into a multi-purpose room. This one, as far as I can tell, has actually had the slab raised, which is great. It means you don't have to do much with it. But it doesn't, I don't know, there's window here and a window here that I think looks a little dodgy, and I didn't put any windows in this place. Oh well, I'll fix that later. But yeah, while I've got you there, I'm going to have a look at I'll show you these photos of this house. Okay, so here's the house that we're looking at. It's got this ugly slate floor, which I'm not a big fan of, but yeah, very cheap lino pretend floorboards. You can have a look here. It's just absolutely cheap as. It's a sunk here. They don't hit. I think this place would leak like anything. I'll show you the roof line in a minute, but it's just, yeah, there's no way that this doesn't leak, and these floorboards would just bend up. They don't like water at all. So yeah, they've got these openings, like it's not even sealed from the house. Both sides have openings, but I'll show you other ones. I think I've got another inside here. There's windows all the way along. I think that's a sliding door there. Yeah, it's just, I reckon it would leak all the way along here. It'd potentially leak along here and potentially along this way. Yeah, I'll show you the roof for this one. Okay, so we're at the roof at the moment. This here is our sunroom, and you can see here it's joined here. Now you can't get a perfect join with these sorts of things. It'll last for a little while, but it usually deteriorates after time, and I'd say that would leak over time. This is our carport here, and this bit here is our undercover patio area. The multi-purpose room is this bit here. So you see how the driveway comes in. That used to be a garage there. I'll show you inside that multi-purpose area. So this is it here. Yeah, I'm a little iffy about these windows here. If you have a look here, it looks like it's brick around here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's sealed properly. Yeah, so have a look at we've looked at the house. The other thing I want to show you is the kitchen. Oh my gosh, this kitchen. I mean, seriously. There's hardly any room here to get past. It's more of a hallway than an actual kitchen. It's horrid. I just don't like it at all. But this is the fun of this program. We get to fix all this stuff. So let's get out of here and get back into our plans and have some fun with that, hey? Okay, so we're back here with the plan, and this is what we have to work with. Now, it's a 3-bedroom at the moment. It has this multi-purpose room, which can't be classed. I guess you could class it as a 4th bedroom, but it's way too big to be one. They've advertised it as a 3-bedroom house, so I guess there's a issue with having this as a bedroom. I'm not sure why. So the other thing I had to do was I really wanted to have sort of this area here be like bedrooms. But if you have a look here, it's 2.5 meters this way. That's ridiculous. And I did some calculations to try and find out how big this is, because they didn't put this measurement in, and it's 2.9. So it's only 5.4 between the two of them, like from here to there. You won't get 2 rooms in there with a minimum of 3 meters by 3 meters in the actual room itself. And I hate the way they design the sunroom. There's just no need. It was just, obviously they did it the cheapest way they possibly could just to add it on. I would actually potentially just rip it down. You can't, and this house can't function without it, because to add anything else into it, you need that sunroom, you need that area. So I would demolish it and actually put a proper extension in. Now, the good thing with that is, proper extension in, you could sneak in a little bit more into here to get 2 bedrooms in this area, and remove that. The covered area is cheap and nasty anyway, so you can get rid of that and actually put a proper one out this end, which is where you want it. So yeah, what I want to do is I want to have 2 bedrooms here side by side. Get rid of the access here. That's a laundry or something there. And I want to sneak it into, it'd probably be about here somewhere. If it's 5.9 along this end to here, we'll need another 6.6. So I'd say that's probably around down here. So probably set up to here, which is still decent size room. But what I want to do here, so I want to put 2 here. I want to put another, so 2 bedrooms here. I want to put another bedroom here. So that's your 3 bedrooms. And oh, sorry, another bed. No, I want another bedroom there. Yeah, and have that as 3 meters as well. Have the hallway down this end. I'll probably leave the bathroom there, or I'll put the bathroom between here. My purpose is I want to have I want to have the master in this area. Put the entrance to the master over this side. Leave this as a cupboard area, but actually enclose, like take this wall out and actually have a doorway into it, and a wall. So and a walkway in here. So you'd actually halve this area, or put it about here, and so you've got a robe here and like a robe here, and then have this as the ensuite. It'd be a small ensuite, but it's ensuite nonetheless. And so then you'd have this room here, and I'd probably make that some sort of media room or something. And because you got this in as an extension, a proper extension, you can actually utilize it a little better. So I would put the kitchen, because this will be closed in because of the rooms that are here. I would potentially put the kitchen along this end, and then have this as a dining room. So then you've got this whole area here for a proper lounge, like a decent sized lounge room. That's going to be huge in there. So yeah, I'm going to get to this, and I'll fast forward it so it won't be as long as last video, because I didn't do that last time. So yeah, listen to our lovely music and I'll get to this. Okay, so I've done all I set out to do. So the extension is now part of the house properly, and it would be the slab will be level. We've got a kitchen, a huge kitchen. This is going to be amazing. It's all the way along this road with this oh, what happened there? All along this back wall here. Sorry, one of the islands kitchen cabinets has gone missing, so I'll just chuck it back in. Excellent. Okay, and you've got this decent sized island. Oh, there'd be so much storage in here. There's enough space here for a dining room as well. Then you've got a lounge room here and a media room or a sitting room or something like that there. There's a hub or a study nook here, linen closet here. You've got a bedroom here with a cupboard, with a robe I should say, bathroom, shower, bath, sink, cupboard here, robe for another bedroom with a robe. So that's 1, 2, 3 bedrooms plus a bathroom, and this is a powder room here, and the laundry is here. So that's great. Here is the master bedroom. So you've got a decent sized master bedroom here with a walk-in robe and an ensuite with a shower, 2 sinks and a toilet here. Keep the carport here. You could enclose that and make that a garage as well. It doesn't really matter. You could actually move this covered patio up a little bit more to include the garage or carport if you want to keep it that way, and so you've got some sort of walkway into the house. This one here is one of those bifold doors as well, one of those glass bifold doors with like all the way up. It'd be great. Front door I made a little bit bigger so you can get in. It's actually a proper entrance now. Yeah, I'm really liking this design. I think it's one of my favorites at the moment. But yeah, if you guys want to let me know what you think about this this plan, tell me what you guys would do if you do something a little different to this. If you have any plans of your own that you'd love to send me so I can play with them, send it to shoversfunwithplans@gmail.com. That is also in the description. Also in the description has access to this plan, a PDF version of it, and this version for the Sweet Home 3D program. It'll also include the before and after. So yeah, guys, please comment below, please like, subscribe, and all that jazz. I will see you guys on Friday. Okay, bye!